Hurricane Laura swept through the region here in Louisiana. The entire state is something probably that I haven't seen since Hurricane Maria when I was stationed in Puerto Rico. We started working, put some poles in, put some wires up. We were stopped and redirected into Lake Charles, Louisiana. It's unbelievable what's going on out here and how everything is just upside down. We're really out here to really provide as much support as we can, but the devastation will probably go on for months and months and months. Wires and poles that are in the rivers. You got a lot of houses that are missing their roofs, local businesses destroyed. There are cars that have flipped over, tractor trailers flipped over on the side of the road. There's a lot of gas stations that are flooded, areas that are flooded. Homes still have water up to the doorknob, some of these homes. It's really bad. The most important part is customer outreach, to let them know that we're here, so they can feel a sense of comfort, a sense of, hey, somebody's out here helping us. It's sad, it's tough, it's eye-opening. A lot of the residents would just drive by and just honk the horn and just thank the guys, thank the crews, thank everybody they can for coming to help. It's a humanitarian effort that we're doing here.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.